Ayam means chicken, penyet means crushed or something. So it's basically crushed chicken, and they crush it in a mortar or something just to make it a little bit more juicy and tender. This is madness. Thank you. So when the sun goes down in Medan, Indonesia, people look for a place to eat, and the first problem that you have is parking your car, because parking and driving here is crazy in general, and it's full of restaurants, shop houses, street food. People gather in this place to have some local food, and that's what we're gonna have today. Hello, thank you for parking. Thank you. How much is that?
You can pay later.
Oh, we pay later. Okay. Thank you. So we pay later. There are people, very generous people, who help you parking your car when you go to a restaurant. Hello. Hello, hello. Lots of local people. So we're just gonna sit down and have some chicken, I think. You're okay with being on YouTube, yeah?
Dia buat YouTube, mau masuk ke YouTube ya nggak apa-apa kan?
Okay, we got a drink menu and we got a food menu. This place is famous for the Ayam Penyet.
Ayam penyetnya satu. Do you prefer chest or thigh?
Thai.
Thigh, paha. Itu aja kan? Iced tea or oranges?
I prefer iced tea.
Iced tea.
And basically the specialty of this place is called Ayam Penyet, which
Ayam
is
Penyet.
Ayam means chicken, Penyet means crushed or something. So it's basically crushed chicken, and they crush it in a mortar or something just to make it a little bit more juicy and tender. Hello. So that's the main event.
Ini pedas nggak sih? Pedas nggak?
The base is, apart from the chicken, you've got a little bit of rice, you've got cucumber, you've got basil,
Kemangi.
and you've got the sambal. In this case, I've got chicken thigh. So this is a typical dish of East Java, actually, Surabaya. This is East Javanese cuisine. The chicken thigh is more flat because it's been crushed, and pretty sure you guys are familiar with the sambal, which is an extremely spicy sauce made of, chili, fried anchovies, shallots, garlic, onions, and all the good stuff. Okay, what are you having there? What's that? Apple juice. No,
Avocado juice.
avocado juice.
Yeah.
Looks yummy. Okay. And I'm gonna have my tea. Indonesian people eat, and we can try that. The first thing that I want to do is to test how spicy the sambal is, because I don't want to exaggerate with this thing. So I'm gonna grab a piece of cucumber and taste it, because this thing can be really spicy.
Is it spicy? It's too spicy for you?
No,
Yeah? Okay.
I'm gonna start having hiccups, but it's super spicy. It's actually super spicy. Okay, let me grab this chicken thigh and get a piece of this yummy chicken. It's almost looks very similar to the chicken that we have KFC, in Europe and stuff, because the skin is very crispy. Obviously, in this case, it's not covered in butter, so I think it's just deep fried in sunflower oil or something. Take a piece of chicken, and you try to get some rice as well. Am I doing it all right? Am I doing it all right? Maybe a little bit of dipping into the sauce, and you get your bite of chicken and rice. You don't need KFC when you've got this thing. Extremely crispy in the skin, juicy on the inside. That's just magic. magic in Medan, Indonesia, happening in this area. And if you're feeling particularly courageous, you can maybe grab a whole drumstick and soak it into the sambal. This is not for everyone. And chase it with rice. Maybe chase it with some cabbage. Very simple dish, but very satisfying, I would say. Obviously, you know, eating it with your hand can be a little bit messy, but they brought us some basins, small basins with some water inside and lime inside, so you can wash your hand. That's a nice service to provide. Okay, this meal was very satisfying. We're gonna find out something else in the streets. I think this good man is looking for his pay.
No,
Oh, not yet. Okay.
not yet.
Hey. See you later. Okay, let's go this way. There is a stall selling bandrek. And we're gonna try to wash down this chicken, which was very spicy and very delicious, but very savory and very salty as well. So apparently this is a ginger tea. Ginger tea. It's all ginger tea. And what is it? Is it like a dessert, or is it like after dinner, or whatever time kind of?
No, we usually drink this bandrek in the night, like this, after dinner.
Oh, this is a night drink in Indonesia. Bandrek. Okay, let's try this ginger tea first. Oh my god. Yeah, hot tea, like full of ginger flavor.
They already add some milk actually in your glass, but if you want more milk, you can.
There is some milk inside as well. It's not very thick, but it's full of ginger flavor. It's kind of thing that I would love to actually drink like before going to sleep. It's kind of soothing, and some skewers also came to this table. Obviously, you know, it's something that you can try if you want, otherwise you don't have to pay. You're just gonna pay whatever you eat.
Yes,
And do you know what this thing is?
I know.
And
Sate kerang.
sate kerang, chicken satay.
No,
maybe
no, it's not chicken. It's seafood.
seafood. Oh my god, this is actually seafood. They are in a kind of sauce, which I'm not sure if it's spicy or it's tomato paste or something. We'll have a try.
Spicy.
It's
A
spicy.
little bit spicy.
A little bit spicy, yeah. Let's have a taste of this. A little bit spicy. This kind of a mushy texture. Yeah, anyway, it's some kind of shellfish. I think that in Thailand they call them cockles or something. I don't know, but it tastes really good. It seems very interesting to me that you would accompany such a beverage with this. But in Indonesia, it's always time to eat some, you know, spicy food, even if you're drinking milk or tea or whatever. So.